I got it made, better look again. I got a butler, got a maid, and a mansion. Need belief is that I'm living out a millionaire's fantasy with phantoms and Ferraris in the driveway. But you see, it came in exchange of a sane man's sanity. Your vision jaded by the Grammys on the mantelpiece. Just switch your camera lenses, you will see the agony. Apparently it's damaging the man you see before you on the canvas. He may seem alright, but all the disadvantages. His family encounters overshadows his extravagance. Walk in my nines a while, I dare you with a scare you while it surely seemed right. The king life seemed glamorous, it's seen through the eyes of untrained amateurs. Because the camera doesn't see beyond the walls of the smiles on the couch until it
They crazy, but they ain't crazy, let's face it. Shit, basically, they just playing sick dance. Shit, they ain't saying shit, spraying 50s. A to the K, get in the way, I bring Dre and them with me and turn this day into fucking mayhem. You staying with me? Don't let me lose you, I'm not trying to confuse you. When I let loose with this Uzi and just shoot through your Isuzu. You get the message, am I getting through to you? You know it's coming, you motherfuckers don't even know, do you? Take some big and some pop, and you mix them up in a pot. Sprinkle a little Big L on top. What the fuck do you got? You got the realest and illest killers tied up in a knot. The juggernauts of this rap shit, like it or not. It's like a fight to the top just to see who died for the spot. You put your life in this, nothing like surviving a shot. Y'all know what time it is, as soon as 50 signs on this dot. Shit, what you know about death threats, cause I get a lot.